In this video, I will show you how to uninstall additional language from your computer, Windows 10 or 11. So guys, if you are using Windows PC or laptop and you want to remove additional language, so search here control panel, open control panel. Now here guys, you have to click on uninstall a program. Here you will see a list of programs. So to uninstall any program, so to uninstall any another language, just select here, then click on uninstall. Please wait until the current program is finished. So now guys, you will see once this click on it, Google Input Tools is uninstalled successfully. Some files are still in the use and will be removed after reboot. So just close it and restart your system. So thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.